Welcome to mvtech tutorials. In this video we're going to learn how to convert any text file into PDF using Microsoft Word for free. So let's start. Go to MS Word and simply open any project yours or type anything here. You can see here, and then go to File and Save. After saving it, go to File. You can see here Save and Send option. Click on this, and now you can see here Create a PDF XPS document. Again, click on it. Now you can see the option here, Create a PDF XPS. Click on it. Give this the file name, set type as PDF, and set a location where you want to save. After then, publish it. After publishing it, it will automatically open in your browser. You can see here. This is the PDF file. So this much for today. Thanks for watching.